Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting kitchen gadget that could change your cooking game, the Dash Tasti-Crisp Air Fryer. We found this product online and have included a link in the description below for you to check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Dash Tasti-Crisp Air Fryer? At its core, it's a compact 6-quart air fryer designed to help you create delicious, crispy meals without the guilt of traditional frying. Utilizing innovative AirCrisp technology, this appliance circulates hot air around your food, achieving that desirable crunch while using significantly less oil. With its sleek aqua design, it's not just functional, it adds a pop of color to your kitchen counter too. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of the Dash Tasti-Crisp Air Fryer. First up, the non-stick fry basket makes cleanup a breeze. You won't have to worry about food sticking or scrubbing for hours after cooking. Plus, the basket is dishwasher safe, so you can simply toss it in after use. Another great feature is the adjustable temperature control and timer dial. This allows you to cook a wide variety of foods perfectly, whether you're preparing crispy chicken wings, roasted vegetables, or even desserts. The auto shutoff feature is a fantastic safety addition, preventing overcooking and ensuring that your meals come out just right every time. What makes this air fryer particularly appealing is its versatility. It's suitable for families, busy professionals, or anyone looking to eat healthier without sacrificing taste. If you have kids, this could be a great way to introduce them to healthier versions of their favorite fried foods. The included recipe guide is a wonderful bonus that encourages you to explore new culinary horizons and discover all the different foods you can prepare with this appliance. Now, let's discuss some practical use cases. If you're hosting a game night, you can whip up a batch of crispy sweet potato fries or air-fried chicken tenders that everyone will love. For a quick weeknight dinner, throw in some seasoned fish fillets and asparagus for a meal that's both healthy and satisfying, all in a matter of minutes. And if you're in the mood for a late-night snack, the air fryer can also handle those cravings with ease. Think air-fried donuts or even popcorn. The compact design of the Dash Tasti-Crisp Air Fryer makes it a perfect fit for smaller kitchens, dorm rooms, or anyone who wants to save counter space without sacrificing cooking capability. Its 6-quart capacity means you can cook enough for the whole family or meal prep for the week ahead, making it a great investment for anyone looking to streamline their cooking process. In conclusion, the Dash Tasti-Crisp Air Fryer is an excellent addition to any kitchen. With its user-friendly features, versatile cooking options, and easy cleanup, it empowers home cooks to prepare healthier meals without the hassle. Whether you're a novice in the kitchen or a seasoned chef, this air fryer is designed to make cooking more enjoyable and efficient. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.